Hello again, Curly's DIY project. We're not in the kitchen today, we're next to it. Today we're going to replace the foam on this speaker that's blown. You're going to need a razor blade to take some of the old stuff off, a screwdriver to remove the speaker, glue, and a spreader that comes with the kit that you buy. It comes with the replacement stuff, and of course alcohol to help you remove the glue. So this is a Boston speaker. They're about $250 a pair, and you can see that this is blown completely. So we're going to remove this, and here we'll just... Alright, so videos suggest you use a razor for all this, but I found it safer to use a small screwdriver to remove the majority of the glue, and then come back and finish it up with the razor. This is a lot of glue. I did this 10 years ago. So the last time I did this was 10 years ago. So I'm just going to get my finger dirty and very sticky, because this glue is very sticky. Alright, you take the new foam and you put it in place. You can't have any glue on your fingers, and you bring the cone up from behind it to meet the new press it in. Get that captured. I'm using the same little screwdriver to press in the edge. You got to be gentle with the foam because this can easily tear.